am back again. Welcome to Learning Time with Tutor Gracie. It's all about the sound. Let me hear you say it. Letter N makes the sound and the action for the sound is rub your tummy, seeing a tasty food, and say, Mom and Dad make many meals. Mom and Dad make many meals for their hungry children. All right, let's look at words that begins with the sound as in milkshake. Yummy milkshake. As in muffin. I love this muffin. As in mountain. A high mountain. As in monkey. Monkey. As in mat. A picnic mat. As in music. Do you love music? Music. It's quiz time. Let's test your knowledge. Are you ready? Look at the image and say the word. Let's go. What can you see? Tell me. A monkey. Great. What can you see? It's a muffin. What can you see? It's a milkshake. You did it! Well done, you've earned a gold star. If you enjoyed this video and you want to keep watching my channel, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.